The only thing standing between you and the thing you want the most are a few bad and annoying habits. We all have a few, nobody's perfect, but a few of these bad habits can really mess up your life. Let's look at 5 common bad habits and how to fix them. Number 1 is being lazy. Let me ask you this, if you keep putting off the things that you need to get done, what will happen? You will be late for school, for work, or any important event that comes up in your life. You will miss out on opportunities, maybe even lose your job or your friends. Maybe you tell yourself, I will do it tomorrow, or you tell yourself, I will do it next week. But then those come and the only thing you have is a pile of work and no idea where to start or what to do with it. It's simply not a good look, and I know it's something that you don't want to be like. Stopping being lazy is not something that you can change overnight, but you can definitely start making some changes, like keeping your desk clean, turning off all your phone notifications, and reducing your time you spend on stuff like TikTok. Remember, it's all about the small things, the small habits that compound over time. Number 2 is fear of failure. Listen, you're going to fail a lot, and that's okay. People act like failing is a bad thing, but it really isn't. You should expect to fail, and you should embrace it when it happens, because here's the thing. When you fail, you grow. That's how you get better at life. Look, I've been there, you're not alone. I felt those butterflies in my stomach, the lack of hair, the difficulty in breathing. It happens to all of us. But what you should be doing when it happens, instead of letting it hold you back from your goals and dreams, is to use it as fuel to push you even further. So next time when you get stuck on a project, or someone criticizes your work, or everything you do just makes everything worse, take a moment and breathe. Inhale that fear of failure and say thanks, because it means something is happening in your life and you're growing with it. Third bad habit is eating unhealthy food. If you want to be a better man who looks good and feels good, you can't be sitting around and eating junk food and healthy food all day long. Now I know what you're thinking, well, food is fucking good. Well, it is. Don't get me wrong, I love my pizza and my french fries as much as the next guy, but I also know if I eat it every day, it will slowly kill me. I don't know about you, but I still have a lot of stuff I want to achieve in my life. I don't want to be the guy who feels depressed, has no energy, and barely can even stand up straight. That's not the type of man I want to be. Neither is the type of man I want you to be either. If you really want to get ahead in life and be a better man and be there for your kids and your grandkids, you need to change your eating habits. Add those fruits, add those veggies, and stop with the full of sugar processed junk. Number 4 is negative thinking. If you are one of those people who's always negative, I'm sorry, I don't want you near me. It's just way too contagious. Look, it's a fact that the way you think about yourself and your life has a huge impact in the way your life goes. And when it comes to make your life the best it can be, stopping with the negative thinking is a huge thing. Negative thinking is something that we all suffer from time to time. It's human nature. But when it happens, it's important to recognize for what it is. Just another bad habit that needs breaking. And you can take right now the small steps that you need to break that habit. You need to make that switch from negative thinking to the positive, into something that you feel grateful for. Guys, it's very important that you also keep an eye into the good things that are happening in your life. There's always some, like having a phone to watch this YouTube video, like a cup of coffee that you had this morning, or the 30 minutes that you played video games with your friends last night. Anything that you're grateful for. Every time you see these negative thoughts coming over, remember these happy, grateful moments. Fifth bad habit and last for today is bad sleep. Sleep is one of the most important things that you can do for yourself. It's when your body repairs itself, it builds muscle. But we often don't get enough sleep because we are too busy, or we just stay up late playing video games. It's easy to forget about it, but it's something that is absolutely essential for our well-being. The easy way to fix this is have a schedule. The same way that you probably have an alarm and you should have to wake up, also have one to go to sleep. Having a routine is very important and the best way to set you up with the right habits. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, if you did, please like, subscribe, and see you again next time.